Okay, we're going to be learning about completing the square. Completing the square using the quadratic equation. What you have to do in completing the square, this is actually on chapter 10, lesson 6. And what you have to do with completing the square is you take the formula x squared plus bx plus b over 2 to the second power, and it gives you, it equals to x plus b over 2 everything to the second power. Okay, I'm going to have to rewrite this on another page. Here it is again. X squared plus bx plus b divided by 2 to the second power equals x plus b over 2 everything to the second power. So for example, let's say we have x squared plus 8x equals 4. In order to find, so from x squared plus 8x equals 4, I have the x squared here, and I have the bx right here. So I'm missing the b over 2 to the second power on both sides. How do I do that? What is my b? Start with b equals 8. Now, what is b over 2 to the second power? We have 8 over 2 squared. 8 over 2, that gives me, cancels out to be 4. 4 to the second power is 16. So I have x squared plus 8x plus the 16 that I found. It equals to, it was equals to 4, but I have to add the 16 to that side as well. Okay, so my new equation becomes x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 20. Now on the left side you can see that I have a perfect square trinomial. Here it is. What do I multiply to get 16? And then when I add them, I get 8. I have x plus 4 to the second power. And it still equals to 20. How do I get rid of the second power? I need to take the square root. And when I take the square root, I have to take the square root of 20. So we have x plus 4 equals the square root of 20. Okay, moving on. X plus 4 equals the square root of 20. We need to simplify the square root of 20. So what is a perfect number, the perfect square that would go into 20? We're talking about 5 times 4. 4 is a perfect square. The square root of 4 equals 2. So the square root of 20 becomes 2 square root of 5. I'm almost done. One more step. Don't forget to put, and I almost forgot, a plus or minus 2 square root of 5, because it could be either be positive or it could be a negative. Now I need to subtract 4 from both sides, and my final answer is, let's hope I have enough space here, x equals negative 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 5. And this concludes completing the square.